So here I am in my Hemlock and Oak as well as my Happy Planner, and I'm going to be setting up December. So this is the last monthly spread that I will be setting up in my Happy Planner and the last monthly spread that I will be doing in my Hemlock and Oak, because as of January I will be moving to the Hobonichi. All right, let's get started. So with the Hemlock and Oak monthly spreads, I haven't really used the goal setting too much, but I have used this space here to put down pictures of, really great memories from the month. And then I use the monthly spread for social media as well as habit tracking, which I've kind of fallen off of. Hope to get better at that. But I love this page really for all of the memories, and it's kind of like a memory planner. And the monthly spread for social media has been so useful for me to be able to get an overall picture of what posts I want to do, what videos I want to do, etc. But also taking away the fact that I no longer need one specific planner just for social media has made it a lot less overwhelming. Having a planner before just for social media, it felt like I was just decorating the planner just to decorate a planner, whereas this actually feels like I have a set plan for what I want to post when. I also have an idea as to what basically what kits or what stickers I'll be using for those spreads. So it feels a lot more functional and more manageable now. Now going into October, I did not use this at all for goal setting, and I still have to put pictures on this. And then November, I did get a little bit better about habit tracking, but I do love the monthly spread for pre-planning any big events. For social media, it's just worked out so well. So that's what I will continue to do in my Hobonichi. But I'm just like, where's November? There's November. October is probably the best month for habit tracking. November, again, I didn't use this section, but I do plan to use the reflection section for pictures and memories and such. And again, this is what November, what's the date today? The 25th. I need to fill that out, but I do need to get better at habit tracking. It's more just, I've gotten lazy. Maybe a new planner in 2022 will help me be better with my habit tracking. All right, so for the month of December, I will be using these farmhouse holidays and the holiday garlands from According to Allie. And before I forget, I'm going to pull out, I know I have them here. Yes. So pull out the month's monoline that I have in the clear matte. And I'm going to hand letter that one and then put this here. Because who remembers what month was it that I got it completely wrong and wrote the wrong month altogether? Yeah, I remember that too. Okay, so let's move this here. There's quite a few things coming up in December. So the first thing I'm going to do actually is write down all of the dates. Now that I've gone ahead and written all the dates down, I'm going to, and I realize I just have to decorate this as well. So let's do, let's see, am I really gonna, you know what, I will use the habit tracker this month. I've been terrible with it, but to just where to line it up. Okay. I've been kind of, I guess, struggling with making the monthly spread really work for me and trying to figure out the best way that I'm going to use it with the Hobonichi. Ooh, I like this because basically with the Hobonichi now I'll be combining the monthly spread that I use in my Happy Planner Horizontal, which I use as a gratitude journal, and then combining it with the overall monthly spread that I use for more functional things. So it'll be really interesting how I'll be able to combine them both, but I think I figured out a way to be able to make it work. And I think that also involves my there we go. I think that's also going to involve my 5-year journal. from Hobonichi. Where is my washi? Yeah, I definitely think it will involve my 5-year journal to be able to do a gratitude, writing one thing that I'm grateful for every day. Which washi do I want to use? I don't have a lot of red or that type of color. That actually might work really well. And this is washi from like a Michael's collection from like ages ago. Oh my god, that works really well. Okay, and then I'm gonna see if I can take one of Allie's quotes. The thing with this quote is that I probably should have put it there and then put this over here, and it's too late to do that now. So I may put it on that page. That's okay. I'll maybe take this piece, love, joy. It looks like it wasn't cut properly. Yeah, it looks like it was cut off a bit, so I probably won't be able to use that. That's okay. I will actually leave it. And then I'm going to go ahead and start just putting in the habit tracker. Now that I've written in my Instagram and YouTube and what I plan to do for each of those, I'm gonna go ahead and, let's see here, grab this so that I can start writing in important events or putting boxes in for important events, such as, let's see, 16th, Robin has, there's actually a couple of things happening that day, so what I think I'm going to do is grab, let's see, these stickers. I think these might work well, but I do have these dots here as well. So let's do, the thing with these dots is that I have them, there's like the big size, but there's also these teeny ones. So my dots come in the 2 sizes, which fit perfectly in here, and then I'll do a green one. Oh, how cute. So that will be for Henry has a dentist appointment, and then Robin has her ski trip. I'm actually really happy that they'll be able to go on a ski trip this year. They did not get a chance to go last year. And then do a big dark green for the both of them. They both have early dismissal. I feel like though I have a Coffee Monsters Co. school sticker. Anytime, spring break, summer break, winter break. Oh, hold on. Funny enough, that was my alarm telling me to go pick up my kids, but my parents are picking them up today. So I'm going to put down, no, I'm going to save that for the actual weekly spread. And then just write early dismissal. I'm also off that day. Yay! And then there are things that I am missing. Let's move this out of the way. I don't think I'm going to use that right now because these dots are working really well. So on the 2nd, Robin and I have a dentist appointment. So let's take one of these smaller dots. Whoop. Yep. Ooh, I love the smaller dots actually. And I do love that I have them in the 2 sizes. So 10:45, Robin and Kay at dentist. So Robin and I both have a dentist appointment that day. Friday, I am off. I love having that Friday off. I'm actually off basically every Friday in December because originally we had planned to go away for a cruise in December, but we've had to, oh, there's Lucy. We've had to move it due to restrictions, so I had extra PTO that I could use, so I decided I would use it for just Fridays off, 'cause why not? And then a small green one for Robin for her archery. Don't actually know when Henry's last day of wall climbing is. I really should look that up, but he is absolutely enjoying wall climbing. So cute. So I'll leave that for now because their last day of school is then. And then I'm thinking, is there anything else that I need to think of before then? We have Christmas, obviously. I feel like I could have used one of these as well. Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna waste a couple of stickers to get the coloring right. Because I wanna even use these brown dots. Funny enough, oh, that works so well. Love these dot stickers. They're still available in my shop, and now I have one under my fingernail. No, I love that. It's simple. I don't need to do too much more to it, and then I will be able to add in my Instagram and YouTube posts. But then on this side, I want to keep this very, very simple because I still want to have, I'm gonna just leave that actually for now. I won't even really decorate it. I will just decorate this side so that I have a bit of a memory planner to go back to. The thing is, I'm not, and I mean, this is going to sound, I don't know if anybody else can relate. I mean, there are goals that I want to set for myself, absolutely. But at the same time, I am also the type of person to kind of just be left on my own to do it. I am not the type who necessarily follows a specific goal setting type of plan, and maybe that's my issue with why certain things haven't worked out, but you know, I like to kind of do things at my own pace. So then I'm gonna put this Mary. I hope that this one cut. Okay, I've heard of people having issues with their Cricut not cutting things properly, so this one looks like it was okay. Should I put it here or should I put it up here? No, I'll put it here. And then I'm going to, just for decoration's sake, add a few of these red and green dots around because I can, and I'm getting them stuck all over me. And these green ones too. I love the dark green. When I first printed them though, they were like this weird blue, so I had to adjust my printer settings so that they weren't so off color. Oh, I love it. Love it. All right. So those are my monthly spreads, very basic. Again, I'm just kind of ignoring this page, but then I've got that page and then I've got that monthly page. So let's move on to my happy planner. I've had a great time basically with the happy planner horizontal for my journal this year. I've really liked moving up to the classic size, but next year I will be moving into the Hobonichi Daily. Or so the Hobonichi Cousin will have daily pages in it, which I'm looking forward to for journaling. Just because I feel like it's just gonna be the right amount of space for me for journaling. And then I'll have a little bit more, I guess, creativity when it comes to gosh, if I put that there, I block any space for me to be able to, I'll put that there. Oh my gosh, why am I forgetting to take the pages out? Oh, whatever. Basically, it's going to give me a lot more opportunity to decorate, more space to write. I am looking forward to it. So let's cut off that bit at the top. There we go. Then place one down here at the bottom. I really like Allie's sticker sheets because I feel like I can really make the most out of them. And there we go. I really can, I don't feel like I'm wasting any of her stickers because all of her stickers are beautiful and they just work so well in all of my planners. So let's put this here. Look, sticker sheet done, and then this one. I feel like I'm gonna go back and put this in my Hemlock and Oak. Now, washi. Let's put some washi across here because I always think washi adds just a little bit more, and I'm gonna add a different color as well. Let's go for this one. I think this might, yeah, that'll work. I also like the neutral Simply Gilded washies. I was never, I went off washi for a while, but I stopped using washi for quite a while, and then in the last year started getting back into it again. I don't know what happened exactly, but I'm glad washi and I are on good terms again. Like this washi, this red polka dot washi, is from a rainbow washi box that I bought at Michael's 4 years ago when I was really into the washi. Definitely feel much better about that now because I kept it in my collection for so many years without having to use it, and now I'm using it again. That's good. But yeah, I'm kind of sad that this is going to be my last monthly spread in my HP horizontal, but I am really excited for trying out a new type of planner lineup come 2022. Anyone else just as excited about starting something new in 2022? All right, so again, very simple monthly spread. It like literally takes me less than 5 minutes to decorate that because it really just is about decorating the edges. I don't do any pre-planning in here. It is all about writing things that I'm grateful for daily, which looks like this. And I haven't decided which pen I'm gonna use yet and which ink. Probably kind of like a pinky red ink to match with that, but we will see. All right, so that is the HP monthly. So those are the two monthly spreads in my Hemlock and Oak as well as my horizontal happy planner. So starting in 2022, my monthly spreads will only be in the Hobonichi Cousin and then the Hobonichi Weeks. And it'll definitely be a lot more minimalist than what I'm doing now, even though this is quite minimalist as well. All right. Oh, one thing I forgot to put down, it's Henry's birthday that day. Oh my gosh. Henry is turning 7 on the 1st. And I'm just gonna, there we go. Write down that Henry is turning 7. I can't believe I didn't write that. But anyway, thanks for sticking around for this very chatty plan with me. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Remember, you guys can grab these stickers from According to Allie and use code Karina15 for 15% off for the length of my PR term. And then the other stickers, the dots, come from my shop as well. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.